Dana Lubricants Factory LLC, established in 2002. We are manufacturing one of the world's finest automotive, industrial, marine specialty lubricants and greases for more than 2 decades. Our facilities are equipped with storage tanks of up to 20,000 metric tons of base oil and additives. Dana Lubes, headquartered in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and having manufacturing facilities situated in UAE, spread over 2,699 square feet. We are having our in-house laboratory, where each batch is tested using the most modern testing equipment as per ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015, and ISO 4501-2018 management standardization. We also boast the presence of a full-fledged R&D center where new and upcoming methods of formulating high-quality engine oils and greases are implemented. Dana Lubes is also certified by leading international bodies like API, American Petroleum Institute, Sail Europe, ACEA, European Automobile Manufacturers Association, ELQMs, European Engine Lubricants Quality Management System, ECAS, Emirates Conformity Assessment Scheme. We have OEM approvals from the world's leading manufacturers. Our base oil division is actively involved in stocking and trading various oils from world's top refineries on a global level, with associate offices across Asia, Middle East. We live by our motto, adding value to oil, and manufacture high-performance lubricant products developed and optimized to deliver cutting-edge performance for various applications.